Hello friends. So this video we are going to see and we are going to discuss about Windows administrators interview questions. So last video we have discussed about what kind of job roles so we could select and how we can prepare for the interviews. So the peoples who are selected Windows platform, so this video it's going to be very useful for them. So once you have completed your studies, so you should have some basic understanding on Windows. Okay, here this video I'm just straight away I'm going to talk about the basics of Windows. As a fresher, what are the interview questions will coming? Okay, so first you need to understand the Windows architecture. See, Windows is the OS. Okay, so the real-time job will be based on Windows operating systems and services, application and services, hardware and services, network and services. So there are four types of structure. So most of questions will be coming from these four kind of types, like what is OS, what is applications, what is network, and what are the services. Okay, so first I will talk about OS. What kind of OS versions? So the OS versions are from the legacy Windows NT, after Windows 95, Windows 2003, Windows 2008, Windows 2012, Windows 2016. These are the Windows, the flavors, Windows OS versions, because Microsoft used to keep on update the OS. One more question will be in the same Windows. See, till Server 2003 there are two things. You would have learned something about 64 and 32-bit and 64-bit versions. So there will be each and every OS for Windows Server 2003 or 2008 or 2012. Every OS has certain features like Server 2003 standard, Server 2003 enterprise, Server 2003 database, same like Server 2008 standard R2, Server 2008 enterprise R2. So these are the additional features of the Windows operating systems. Okay, so just this is the one thing you should keep in mind. What are the Windows flavors? So these are the from Windows 97 to Windows Server 2016. Okay, so what is the OS? I mean, what is the operating system? I mean, what is the Windows? Windows is nothing but it has features and integrity with communicate the functionality between the hardwares, between the applications, between the network related services. Okay, so these hardwares and the services and the applications, so all are, it's combined. So if any one of it's not working, so then there will be an issue. It will not, the function will not be perfect. So the function will not be a normal. There will be some abnormal activity will happen. Okay, so just you should keep in mind. So these are the components of the OS. Okay, so see, there are lots of things we can explain, but still I am just giving the basic, because I need to cover all other three topics which relate to services and hardware and applications. Okay, I hope you have little bit understand about the Windows and Windows flavors and what is the use of the Windows, the operating systems. Okay, so next the next topic is hardware. What is the hardware? Without hardware, software cannot be functional. Without software, hardware cannot be functional. So software and hardware, so both are necessary to function properly. Okay, so hardware, it's nothing but, see, we are using laptop, we are using desktops. So there are many kind of hardware makers, I mean hardware brands available, like HP, IBM, Lenovo, so Acer, Dell. So lots of hardware types are there. So it's hardware nothing but it's a product. It's a hardware product where we are going to install the operating systems. For example, we have the servers for Dell servers or IBM servers. So hardware means it should have some capacity. So you know that, like, what is the motherboard, what is the CPU, and what is the RAM, and what is the a disk, and so what is the display. So everything, see, those are hardware. This is very big topic, so we cannot so cover all in this single video. So that will be, if you are interested, you just comment on the same video. I will explain in different video which are the topics you want. Okay, so these are the hardware. So we are going to install the OS, Windows OS, in the hardware. Okay, so that is done. Now we have the OS in one of the hardware, one of the IBM servers. Okay, we have installed Windows Server 2003. Okay, so now, so next the topic is applications. What is the applications? See, applications, nothing but, this is the GUI to execute our necessities. See, for example, in Windows OS, you have MS Excel or MS Word and PowerPoint and some Photoshop, designing, Adobe, and some. So there are lots of softwares. Whichever software we install, you must be aware what are the softwares. Okay, so these are the softwares. I don't think there will be much explanation on softwares, because everyone knows that. Okay, these are the softwares you understand. So what is a network? So the network, which is used to communicate the software and the hardware. Okay, so there is an applications which is running in one of the server, one of the Windows servers. So how the communication happening between the application and the OS and the server OS. So there should be some IP configurations. So there are IP configurations. There are so we need IP Internet Protocol, which is something used to communicate. So without IP, there should not be any network connectivity. So we need to assign the IP address. Okay, so these are the and services. The last one is the services. So what is the services? So if we install the OS, there will be a OS related services. If we install the hardware, any hardware like our CPU or related, or our some adapter, network adapter related. So those will be a few services will be running from the hardware end, and as usual network services also will be running. Some OS, mostly there will be lots of services belongs to operating system services. So these are the, this is about, just I have started the, just a basic about the Windows. Okay, so I hope you understand this. Okay, so I would like to expect what kind of topics you want me to cover, you want me to explain from the Windows, whatever it is, whether that is related to network, or any DNS or DHCP. So whatever it is, whichever you want, or Windows Active Directory, and so lots of, so whichever you like, you just comment in the same video, and next video I am just cover that as well. If there will be the people of interest, if it is Skype, surely I am going to cover. And also you just post what are the questions you need explanation, and I will also happy to clarify that. So thank you, hope this video useful for you. Thanks, see you in next video. Thanks a lot, bye, good luck.